Alright, let's talk about Bandit 11. This is a classic Rot 13 problem, and we're going to solve it using TR. TR command is a translating command. It's very useful. It has quite a few functions in it, and let's take a closer look. Let's start by looking at our data.txt file, and we can see this kind of gibberish. We know from the description of the problem that the password is stored in data where all lowercase and uppercase letters are rotated by 13 positions. To use tr, let's first take a look at the help for this command. And we can see the description that this will translate, squeeze, and or delete characters from standard input and write to standard output. Our base usage is to take tr and identify the first set of data that we want to put into it and translate that into set 2. If we just, let's take another look at our, here, let me make things a little easier to read. Let's just cat our data file again. Let's pipe this into tr. Instead of worrying about how we're going to rotate characters at first, let's just work on shifting characters. So let's take everything that's in a lowercase, A to Z, and move it to uppercase, A to Z. So the syntax for that looks just like this. We can see that comparing our two lines, we took everything that's in lowercase and moved it to uppercase. That's the basic syntax, but what if we want to do what we just said and rotate these characters around? We would start by taking our characters N through Z. N is the 14th letter in the alphabet, and Z is obviously the last, the 26th character. Every A will rotate to an N, and so on, until we get to M, which is the 13th letter of the alphabet, and that will be a Z. So at that point, we'll need to switch things around and take every character after that and move it to the beginning. We do that just by adding to this command. So we take N through Z and A through M just like this. So let's give this a shot here. We can see that it translated all of our lowercase characters by we see the word password is here, and we see the word is, and this might be a the perhaps, but obviously we want to apply this to our uppercase characters as well. So let's just hit the up arrow once, and we can pipe this into tr again if we want. So we can just do the exact same command with our uppercase characters. So let's take N through Z and A through M, and there we have our solution. This is one way to use tr. The other way we can do this is to merge everything together. Instead of piping this into two separate instances of tr, we can take our input here, and we can add A through Z to this as well. Our first character set is the lowercase A through Z, so let's move that to N through Z and A through M. And our second character set is this uppercase A through Z. So we do the same thing, just N through Z and A through upper M. And from there we get the exact same result. That's kind of how to use tr in a nutshell. I think it's a really powerful command for obviously examples like this, but also for rotating text and doing a lot of other things related to text manipulation. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.